Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to use Ring Flash Light feature on Snapchat in 2022. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to obviously go to your camera here. Now once you're on your camera, as you can see my hair right here, but basically as you can see, you can click, and it needs to be front camera, right? So you can click on this flash up here, which is like a lighting icon, and then you can pick a flash. Do you want warm, do you want neutral, do you want cool? And then you can increase that flash as well, as you can see right here. Now this is available if your Snapchat is up to date, so make sure your Snapchat is up to date, and then you will be able to use all these features. Now keep in mind, this is just for the front camera. As you can see, if we go to the back camera, right, we cannot actually do that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Again, it works just for the front camera. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. And thank you guys for watching this video.